Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to clean floor mats, rubber ones specifically. We've already showed you how to extract carpets, but today with floor mats I'm going to show you how to also get them back to that nicer, newer looking condition and add a little bit of protection to them. So the first thing that we do in our process is pressure wash our mats automatically. That's just the best way to get loose and maybe just slightly stuck on stuff off. And then what we do is we spray our all-purpose cleaner on it, diluted 10-to-1. You can use a stronger one with this if you want, but be careful with some rubber mats. They can leave a little bit of a white staining on them if it's too caustic or too strong of a cleaner. And then we also use Dawn. Dawn is a very great degreaser in the automotive industry. Some people dislike using it on vehicles. I love it. Use it in here, and then with a drill brush attachment, or as you can see by my feet there, we have different attachments and a hand brush. A hand brush with hard bristles will do the same thing, it just takes more elbow grease. In the professional world, I'm going to use a drill brush attachment, but for the everyday do-it-yourselfer, you can use a cheaper hand-held brush. It'll take a little bit longer, but you can get a very, very similar result by doing it yourself. And then after we've sprayed the whole entire mat right back off again, get all the cleaner off, take your time on this part. You're going to want to go ahead and dry the mat off. It doesn't need to be perfect, doesn't need to sit forever. But then a way that we save a lot of time and money in our business is we use a concentrate vinyl rubber plastic protectant, and we put it in a bottle, a spray bottle, and we dilute it 4-to-1. And that allows us to just spray on a mass surface like this while not using a ton of product. And in this case, you're going to see me here. It's pretty hot out, so we're going to spread it on there so that it's just extra worked in. But within a matter of minutes, if you just wanted to spray this on and leave it, it will dry, and it'll still give you that nice deep matte black, but with a little bit of a shiny finish. And then your mat's protected. It's clean, it's ready to go, and it looks absolutely stunning. Like and subscribe for more.